expands connectivity, supports multiple peripherals, enables fast data transfer, enhances productivity, and simplifies workstation setup for laptops and desktops efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best docking station that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at WavLink Docking Station. This universal docking station is a highly practical solution for transforming any USB-C or USB Type-A laptop or desktop into a full workstation with minimal effort. With a single cable connection, it efficiently expands your setup to include large external displays, storage devices, peripherals, and audio equipment, making it especially useful for home office work, online learning, and multitasking environments. Its multi-display support via HDMI, DVI, and VGA is a standout feature, allowing simultaneous screen output with resolutions up to 2048 by 1152 or 1920 by 1200, which significantly enhances productivity by enabling extended or mirrored display configurations. The inclusion of multiple USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports ensures fast data transfer and broad device compatibility, while Gigabit Ethernet adds stable wired networking. Although it is not intended for gaming or heavy graphics workloads, it performs reliably for productivity tasks. Its compact, modern design, and solid build make it a convenient and space-saving desktop upgrade solution. Now our second product is Lenovo Docking Station. This Lenovo docking hub is a powerful and well-rounded connectivity solution designed to transform a compatible laptop into a full desktop workstation. It offers a strong mix of ports including 3x USB 3.1, 2x USB 2.0, a combo audio jack, and Gigabit Ethernet, ensuring fast data transfer, reliable wired networking, and seamless peripheral connectivity. The dual video output system with HDMI and dual DisplayPort support allows flexible multi-monitor setups, making it highly effective for productivity users, especially in office, creative, or multitasking environments. With support for up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, depending on host system capability, it delivers sharp and smooth visuals for professional use. The included accessories, such as a 90W adapter and cables, make it ready to deploy out of the box. However, compatibility depends on USB-C or Thunderbolt support and may require firmware updates. Our third product is Acer Docking Station. This premium 13-in-1 Acer docking station is a true workstation upgrade designed for professionals who demand maximum connectivity and productivity. Equipped with a 110W power adapter delivering up to 85W laptop charging, it ensures stable performance even under heavy multitasking loads. Its extensive port selection, including dual HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, Gigabit Ethernet, audio jack, and SD/TF card reader, makes it a complete hub for modern workflows, eliminating the need for multiple adapters. The standout feature is its triple display support via HDMI and DP, enabling powerful multi-monitor setups up to 4K resolution, depending on system compatibility, ideal for trading, coding, design, and research-intensive tasks. While Windows users benefit from full extended display via MST, macOS is limited to mirroring. The aluminum build improves heat dissipation and durability, while also maintaining a clean, professional desk setup. Now number 4, Baseus Docking Station. This 11-in-1 Baseus SpaceMate docking station is a highly advanced connectivity hub built for users who need powerful expansion in a compact form. It combines essential ports including dual HDMI, dual DisplayPort, USB-C, multiple USB-A, including 10 gigabits per second high-speed ports, Gigabit Ethernet, audio jack, and 100W USB-C PD input, making it a complete solution for modern laptops. Its standout feature is triple display support for Windows systems, enabling up to 4K output across multiple monitors, significantly improving productivity for multitasking, coding, design, or financial analysis. The 10 gigabits per second data transfer capability ensures extremely fast file handling, while the PD pass-through supports up to 85W laptop charging for uninterrupted workflow. The innovative vertical aluminum design improves desk organization, heat management, and includes a useful LED status display with a screen lock function for added security. While macOS display support is limited compared to Windows. And our last choice is Anchor Docking Station. This Anchor Power Expand 8-in-1 USB-C docking station is a compact yet powerful connectivity hub designed for users who want reliable expansion from a single USB-C port. It offers a well-balanced set of ports including dual HDMI outputs, USB-A data ports, Ethernet, microSD/SD card reader, and a USB-C PD input, making it highly practical for both work and media setups. The dual HDMI support allows crisp 4K at 60 Hz on a single display or dual 4K at 30 Hz output, which is ideal for productivity workflows such as multitasking, presentations, and content monitoring. With power delivery pass-through up to 85W, it ensures your laptop stays charged during heavy use, provided a compatible charger is used. It supports modern standards like USB-C, USB 4, and Thunderbolt on Windows and Chrome OS systems, though macOS mirrors displays on external monitors and Linux is not supported. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.